February 27th, 2021. So today we're going to be introducing the shred beaks and the smaller braids to the new coop. They're in. Now, so these are the three males. Right here we have 2 Oriental frills and we have 1 Vienna white-side tumbler. I'm really excited to bring the females here. So this is the flight pen where the birds can go in and out to get some sunshine and some fresh air. I'm just going to open it right now. So these are the 4 nesting boxes, and so these 3 birds each have their own nesting boxes, and so we're just seeing if they like the area they're going to be nesting in. And so I made this with my dad in the wintertime when I had online classes. I could go outside and help him in my breaks. So right now we just let 3 of the females here. So the Vienna white-side tumblers are a bit flighty. So when we actually got this one in, the female, she started flying and she almost got outside, which was pretty crazy. And so these ones are just not too bad. So right now we added 3 more females. So these are the Vienna shorts, the Vienna white sides. And so they're the ones that are a bit flighty because when we got them in, they almost flew out of here, which was a bit bad. So these Oriental frills are pretty normal, while these Oriental frills are very aggressive. This one's just a young little, it's a young girl, and then this one's the old boy. And so this one's actually very aggressive, and she's very flighty. So these little Vienna white sides are actually mating right now, and we just put them in, which was very surprising. Look at that. This is my favorite thing about the Vienna white sides. They have this 2 little eyes, which are really cute.
That's good. They like it, eh?
They really like it. Wow. Just amazing. So we have our first bird to come out in the flight pen. So this is the Oriental frill male. Wow. It's amazing. So that we have a view that we could see without even getting inside.